Alright guys, this is the final video for this series, learning Linux, installing a media server. We're gonna finish this up with installing Nextcloud. Now if you go to nextcloud.com and find how to install, I'll put this link below. So we're gonna use snapping, and let's go back over here and just follow along, just because I'm trying to save time. This has been a long series and I want to get done with it. Snap install Nextcloud. Now enter my password. Sorry guys, I got distracted there, but yeah, after we install that, we're gonna allow on our firewall, allow port to. Oh my god, I wasn't typing anything. See, this is what I keep saying. Typing with one hand is just stupid. I need to buy a mic stand. If you guys are feeling generous, you can buy me one. I wouldn't mind, even if it's a $20 one. But I promise I'll get a mic stand really soon. Firewall has been added. Now what do you want to do next? We want to do sudo Nextcloud .enable -https. We want a self-signed key, just because I'm cheap like that. Self-signed. And here we go. Generating a certificate key, restarting Apache, done. So to access your Nextcloud, let's come down here to our web browser, if you will. There you go. What you want to do is do HTTP else, because we are allowed port 443. The name of your server. In this case, I'm using my IP address because I screwed up my virtual machine and I'm not able to. I hope you guys followed along when I said to what is it called, to put it on your router as a I forgot what I do, but if you watch my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna add this to exceptions and confirm security, and here you go. Create an admin account. We're gonna call this guy Bob. I'll give him a password. Yeah, finish setup. Yeah, why not? So now we have a media server and we have a cloud server. We got both worlds. And believe it or not, this is the end of this chapter, man. I mean, this series. I know I've been saying you guys, I'm gonna teach you how to use Linux. So I thought, let me start with something fun. Let me start with a media server, and then we'll get into the other complicated stuff. This is going and going, and there you go. You have your own personal cloud, and you can. First thing first, I like to just come over here and add another user who is not an admin. So we call this Bob2, and password is a good idea to add, and then create. Confirm. So you have two users, an admin and a regular user, and here you can come and go back to your files. You can add documents, you can create new folders, upload files, and you can also use this on your phone. All you have to do is connect to your server And guys, believe it or not, that was my first full Linux series, and I thought I made it fun. So if you've been following along, I'm glad you did, and I hope you learned something. The next series I'm gonna do about Linux is gonna be about more about the command line and stuff like that. Thank you for being a faithful watcher at Undiluted Tech, and see you suckers.